Now that you have taken on one employee, it is highly likely that you are going to be taking on more people in the future. As well as internal employees, most small businesses also work with a number of external support people or associates. To be successful, it's important that all of these people work together as a team. Building a team isn't easy. It takes time and commitment, both from the team leader and the team members. Here are some key things to consider to help you build a team that performs at its peak time after time. First, be clear about your goals. After all, the team needs to know where it's going. The purpose or goal should be clearly stated and easily understood. Each individual needs to understand how the goal affects them and what his or her role is in achieving it. The goal should be something everyone believes in. It helps too if the goal can be easily measured. This helps to bring clarity, focus, and a sense of achievement. Try to build a team with diverse talents. Some of the most effective teams are made up of the most unlikely mix of talents, skills, and personalities. The key is how those people are brought together. It's important to recognize how their diverse talents complement and support each other. Developing a spirit of collaboration is another key aspect of building a great team. It's not easy to uncover what makes a winning team. As a team leader, be enthusiastic and encourage everyone to contribute. Encourage people to express their views freely. Avoid public criticism and negative feedback, and celebrate achievements, however small. When people see what can be done by working together, they are more likely to participate. Encourage open communication and make it easy for everyone. Balance formal team meetings with informal opportunities to share ideas, information, and the current status of a project. There are an increasing number of online tools to make collaboration and communication quicker and easier. Try them with your team. Celebrate milestones. It's fine to know what the end goal is, but equally important to recognize the steps towards achieving that goal. By celebrating each time a milestone is reached, you're able to keep track of where you are and adjust or adapt the route towards the final goal. Review achievement. A formal system of appraisal can help both the business and the individual. The business is able to assess performance against the targets, and the individual is able to record their own success and identify areas where they could improve. It also helps with future planning. A big plus in building a great team is to appreciate everyone and to recognize that everyone in the team has a part to play. Recognize each and every person's contribution and make it clear to the team how everyone contributes to the total effort. Surrounding yourself with the right people and building a great team allows you the freedom to grow your business fast. Having team members you can rely on means you can focus on taking the next steps with confidence.